Hello my beautiful audience, welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to import my SQL to your database using cpanel. So let's do it. So guys, you can see that I'm on my cpanel dashboard. Now type on P. Yep, that's it. Now we can see here PHP my admin. Now on the search tool P8, click on that. That's it. Now we can see the database here. So I gonna import my database on that one. So that's it. Now go to import and yep, click on the choose file and you can see that here is my SQL. Just click on the open button and that's it. We are done. Now we need to click on the I need to minimize that. Just click on the import button and you can see that I'm successfully done. So guys, this was the videos for today. So if you like my videos, please press and hit